This is another elevator at Jefferson Station to tracks 3 and 4. It's also in Otis or Montgomery, installed in 1984. Pretty identical to the other one I filmed. You can see it in the shaft right there. Here it comes. Here it comes. I think that lights up. Nope. Neither does that. P, close it up. Go back up to S if no one's on the platform level or concourse level. There's the concourse. This one has a floor passing chime. This is on tracks 3 to 4, I believe. Yep. Go back up to S. Let's see if this one lights up. Nope. Hopefully there's no one at. This one also has a rusted fan vent. 2. Send it down to P. Let's see. And that's going to be it.